It looks like I'm in the jungle here where the vines are getting me. These are our hyacinth beans behind me. They're a little wild. I just wanted to share a video and a project that I made. Hey, sweetheart.
Hi, Mama.
That I made this spring, I believe, and Sebastian was putting together the video for you guys, and he's like, you forgot to do the intro and all the information on the plants. Whoopsie. So anyway, I just wanted to walk you through. So I did 2 containers on our patio, on our back patio, right when you come out the door. And I did 2 of the plain the blue salvia in the back, and then I kind of did around the edge of it. I did 2 sparkling amethysts, and these are all the proven winners plants from our nursery. 2 sparkling amethyst, 2 bordeaux, and 2 of the blushing princess. And I was originally going to do 1 of each, and then I thought it's a pretty big pot, I'll do 2, but they turned out gorgeous. During the high heat, because we didn't have them on drip yet, I tried to water them as soon as I could. If you water them in the morning before the high heat hits, it will help them to not dry out as much. But I did what I could with drip. It prevents that. So they did dry out a little bit, and I gave them a haircut. So they're still doing beautiful now. But when I did the video, it was about midsummer. So I wanted to show you guys how they looked, and they turned out so pretty. And just how, that's why I love planting with proven winners plants, because they just get so massive, so beautiful, and so full, and they just all grow so well together. So it was just almost like a wreath around this big centerpiece with the salvia. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, we got these planted up. I'm so excited. They're so beautiful, and especially that they have blooms on. I was tempted to put in another one here, but I know that these will get massive this way and down this way, so I just left it. I practiced some self-restraint because they will fill it in, and this gets huge too. So we have plain the blue salvia, the sparkling amethyst, verbena, the bordeaux. Is that beautiful? Supertunia bordeaux. That's a vigorous one, as all the rest. But and then blushing princess, and this will just fill up and be massive and even be trailing down here. Like I said, we do need to paint these black, but I couldn't wait anymore, so I just went ahead and got it planted. And we do need to tidy up this area. Here are these beauties. A couple weeks later, maybe 3, 4, I'm guessing. And they're filling out beautiful. Bordeaux, you can see, is doing its thing and coming around the pot and filling up so beautifully, and all the pollinators. So there's Bordeaux. There's the rock and blue salvia. Look at there, a rock and blue suede shoe salvia. I stuck in here diamond frost euphorbia because I just didn't want that hole for too long. It would have filled in, but I like that how it looks there. And then we have the blushing princess sweet alyssum. We have the blushing princess sweet alyssum there, and on the other side, sparkling amethyst. I just love it. It is just the most beautiful purple ball ever. I love it. And then the other one over here. They're just so happy and so beautiful. And I love these plants. If you just give them a lot of water and weekly fertilizer, they will just keep performing and performing. And just keep getting bigger and full like that.